Okay, let's have a look at this question. We start off simply, we multiply this by our special one, which is the root of 7 in this case, divided by the root of 7. The numerator turns into the root of 7 and the denominator 7. And that's your first answer. Okay, let's have a look at B part 1. So yet again, we're going to have to multiply each of these terms according to our eyebrows and smiles routine. So if we briefly look forward to the answer, we can see that the answer doesn't contain root 3. It only contains root 5. So with that knowledge in mind, let's go ahead and multiply out the bracket. Right, first eyebrow, root 3 times root 3, using our rule up here that we've just used before, this time with root 3. Root 3 times root 3 will equal 3. Second eyebrow, root 15 multiplied by root 15 by that same rule is 15. We've got root 3 times root 15 here and another root 3 times root 15 here, so it's plus 2 root 3 root 15. The next stage is to recognize that the square root of 15 can be broken down into the square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of 5, because the factors of 15 are 3 times 5. So this turns into, we might as well put these two together as well. This is 18 plus 2 times root 3 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 5. It's the same process as splitting the root 8 up here into root 2 times root 2 times root 2, which becomes 2 root 2. And a similar thing is going to happen here because we've got a pair of root 3's. So we've got 18 plus root 3 times root 3 is 3, multiplied by the 2, so this becomes 6 root 5. So therefore, comparing this with what the question said n is equal to 18 and m is equal to 6. And indeed, as predicted, the root 3's disappeared, and that is your answer. Okay, in the next part, we've been given a right-angled triangle, and we've been given the dimensions of 2 of the sides, and we're asked to find the value of k. So using Pythagoras, this is what I get. The 2 smaller sides squared, individually squared, will equal the hypotenuse squared. Well, there's a little bit of shorthand here in that the right-hand side is indeed what we've just calculated. So whatever I get for the left-hand side, the right-hand side is going to be 18 plus 6 root 5. The left-hand side multiplied out, k squared plus. So you've got to imagine these two brackets alongside each other, and we'll do the same routine multiplying this out. The terms are all going to be positive from the results of our multiplications because there isn't a negative sign anywhere to be seen. Okay, 3 times 3, 9. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. Then the underneaths. This will give us 3 root 5 plus another 3 root 5, so this is going to be 6 root 5. Bit of a large gap here, but we can work with it. The 6 root 5's cancel each other out, and we're left with k squared, 9 plus 5 is 14, is equal to 18. Therefore, k squared is equal to 18 minus 14, which is 4, and therefore k is equal to 2. I can ignore the negative square root of 4 because k is clearly a positive result. And that is your answer.